When it comes to Linux, speed isn't just about raw numbers or benchmarks. It's about the feeling of responsiveness, smoothness, and efficiency across everything you do. I've tested dozens of Linux distributions over the years, from beginner-friendly distros to hardcore minimal setups, and while many are fast in their own way, there's one that truly stands out as the fastest I've ever used. Today, I want to give you a full deep dive into this distribution, how it handles daily tasks, gaming, development, and even older hardware, and why it feels like it's operating in a completely different league from almost every other Linux distro I've tried. First, let's talk about the initial experience. Booting up this distro is almost instantaneous on modern hardware, and even on older laptops. The startup time is shockingly fast. The desktop loads cleanly, without unnecessary services hogging CPU or memory, and the environment feels like it's optimized at every layer. Everything from system notifications to opening applications is near instant, and there's a noticeable difference the moment you start using it. In benchmarks, sure, it performs extremely well, but what really sets it apart is the perception of speed. The fact that nothing feels sluggish or delayed, and every interaction is smooth and precise. One of the reasons for this insane performance is how the distro is built. It's not bloated with unnecessary packages or heavyweight desktop environments. Instead, it focuses on efficiency without sacrificing usability. Every component, from the window manager to the package manager, is designed with speed in mind. Memory usage is extremely low compared to standard Ubuntu, Fedora, or even some of the lighter Arch-based distros, and the system remains stable even under heavy multitasking. I ran tests with dozens of browser tabs, multiple productivity applications, code editors, and media players open simultaneously, and the system never hit. CPU and RAM usage were impressively modest, and even with extended uptime, there was no degradation in performance. This consistency is critical for power users, developers, gamers, and anyone who relies on a system that performs predictably. Another factor is the kernel optimization. The distro ships with a kernel that's tailored for performance. Features like process scheduling, I/O optimizations, and low latency handling are all tuned for real-world responsiveness. I noticed that tasks like compiling code, transferring large files, or launching heavy applications were faster than on other distros I've tested, and the difference is noticeable to the human eye. For example, compiling a moderately sized project in an IDE like vSCUDdy or JetBrains IDE took a few seconds less than on Ubuntu, which might not seem like much, but when repeated dozens of times over weeks, it adds up to hours saved. Similarly, launching games through Steam or running GPU-intensive applications was smoother, with lower load times and fewer frame drops. Even the desktop environment itself feels agile. Animations are fluid without lag, window tiling and switching are instantaneous, and system transitions feel polished and fast. Let's talk about memory management, because this distro really shines there. It handles RAM more intelligently than most distributions. Cached memory is efficiently reused, background processes are managed dynamically, and the system avoids bloating over time. Even after hours of multitasking with memory-hungry applications, performance remains steady. There are no spikes, no freezing, no swapping that cause delays. Compared to heavier distributions with traditional desktop environments, this creates a sense of speed that benchmarks alone can't measure. The system just feels lighter, more agile, and more responsive from every perspective. Users who move from Windows or macOS notice the difference immediately, especially if they've experienced system slowdowns or resource mismanagement before. Another aspect that impressed me was software management. The package manager in this distro is fast and reliable. Installing software, updating the system, and removing packages all happens quickly and efficiently without unnecessary dependencies or bloat. Updates are atomic and safe, so you don't have to worry about breaking the system mid-update. And the update process doesn't slow down the computer. Even large updates with dozens of packages installed completed smoothly and without noticeable system lag. For beginners and advanced users alike, this reliability combined with speed creates an experience that feels modern, optimized, and frictionless. Gaming performance is another area where this distro outshines most others. Using Proton and Steam, I tested modern AAA titles as well as indie games, and the performance was excellent. Load times were short, frame rates were consistent, and CPU-GPU usage was efficient. Even games that traditionally have issues on Linux ran surprisingly well, with minimal tweaking required. I noticed less stuttering, smoother graphics, and faster application launches compared to other mainstream distributions. For anyone who wants a Linux gaming machine that doesn't compromise on speed or stability, this distro is a top contender. Combine that with low system overhead and efficient memory use, and you have an environment where the hardware can fully focus on performance rather than system bloat. Another key reason this distribution feels so fast is the desktop environment. It uses a lightweight, optimized environment that is incredibly responsive. Menus open instantly, windows drag smoothly, animations are fluid, and virtual desktops switch without delay. Unlike heavier desktop environments that introduce latency or sluggishness over time, this one remains snappy even after long sessions. The composer is efficient and can handle multiple monitors, transparency effects, and animations without impacting performance. This makes the system feel alive, responsive, and professional, not slow or clunky, even under heavy workloads. Customization is another factor that indirectly affects speed. Users can fine-tune the system to remove unnecessary services, tweak visual effects, and optimize startup applications. This control allows advanced users to create a system that is perfectly suited to their workflow, maximizing speed and efficiency. Even default settings are optimized, but the ability to adjust the system further means that those who want every bit of performance can achieve it. For example, you can adjust compositing settings, disable unneeded background processes, or enable CPU and GPU performance modes for maximum efficiency during intensive tasks. Security and stability also play a role in perceived speed. When a system is stable, responsive, and rarely crashes, it feels faster than one that is technically fast but unstable. This distro combines lightweight performance with reliability, ensuring that users can run heavy workloads without fear of slowdowns or crashes. Tasks like virtualization, compiling, video editing, and even streaming are handled without issue. The combination of kernel optimization, memory management, and desktop responsiveness creates a user experience that is consistently smooth and fast, which is why it feels like the fastest Linux distribution I've ever tested. Even installation is streamlined and fast, from ISO download to booting the live environment and completing the installation. The process is efficient and straightforward, compared to other distributions with lengthy setup processes. This distro gets users up and running quickly so they can start experiencing the performance benefits immediately. Minimal post-installation tweaking is needed, and most hardware is detected automatically, further reducing setup time. For beginners and advanced users alike, this adds to the feeling of speed and efficiency, because the system is usable and responsive from the moment it's installed. One of the most impressive aspects is how this distro handles older hardware. Lightweight desktop environments, efficient memory management, and low CPU overhead mean that even laptops several years old feel fast and responsive. Users can revive machines that would otherwise be sluggish or unusable on Windows, extending the life of their devices. This aspect alone makes it a practical choice for anyone wanting to squeeze maximum performance from existing hardware. Low resource usage and high efficiency combine to create an experience where even entry-level hardware feels capable and modern. Finally, the combination of fast updates, efficient package management, and community support ensures that performance improvements continue over time. The distro is actively maintained, optimized for responsiveness, and benefits from a community that values performance and efficiency. This means users can expect their system to remain fast, secure, and stable for years, without the slowdown that is common on other operating systems. In conclusion, the fastest Linux distro I've ever tested combines optimized hardware use, lightweight and responsive desktop environments, intelligent memory and process management, fast boot and application launch times, gaming support, minimal bloat, and stability. Every interaction feels instant. Every application launches without delay, and the system continues to perform at high speed even under heavy multitasking. For users seeking a Linux experience that prioritizes speed, efficiency, and responsiveness without sacrificing usability or stability, this distro is unmatched. It demonstrates what Linux can achieve when performance is treated as a first-class feature rather than an afterthought, and it sets a new standard for what users should expect from a fast, modern operating system.